Hey, what's up you guys? This is Mike from Oka Software. I'm going to give a quick overview of the auto exposure for URP version 1.3. Before I get into it, I'd love to ask for you to subscribe and like this video. And then going forward, I'll just give you a highlight about what we're going to talk about. So I'm going to cover what's in the update, what auto exposure for URP is, give a little walkthrough about your first setup example, and then explain a little bit more about how compensation curves work. So starting off, what's in the update? The new update, version 1.3, includes the new feature, which is exposure compensation curves, as well as some really cool bug fixes that make your life a lot easier. So what is auto exposure? Auto exposure enables you to improve your project with an automatic exposure system, so your cameras can now automatically brighten or darken your shots in order to simulate realistic eye adaptation. This functionality is completely integrated with Unity's built-in volume component system for URP. So this makes it really easy for you to adjust and do different things in your scene, as well as using local volumes as well. This is similar to other auto exposure systems that are already available in HDRP or Unreal Engine. Cool. So now I'm going to give a quick walkthrough about how to set it up, what it looks like without it. So I'm just going to start by turning off this in the volume setting, popping over to my universal renderer data, disabling the auto exposure renderer feature, removing it. So basically this is what you'll see if it's not enabled yet. Then you'll click add renderer feature, add the auto exposure render feature, go to your global volume, and then click add override, go to post processing and click auto exposure. Then you'll click the mode override, set it to on. You can see right away the scene's completely changed, and I've included some really easy, simple, basic defaults that should work for most scenes. Also, you have the ability to use local box volumes for auto exposure. So I'll show an example of that now. Maybe I can find this box collider on my own. There it is. So I set up this box collider ahead of time. It has a fixed compensation of -2, making the scene 1/4 as bright as it normally would be. -3 is 1/8. You can see how I can adjust this setting, and then when I step out of that box volume, it returns back to normal. Super cool, and that's some of the power that you have with these box volumes in the volume component system. I'll disable that for now. Now I want to show off the newest feature that I've introduced, the compensation curves. So with compensation curves, you can control the exact exposure compensation at any exposure value. I'll toggle this on and then open up the curve. A default value is 0. This is combined additively with the fixed compensation. It's automatically remapped. You can see I've locked the range from 0 to 1. This is automatically remapped to the lower bound to upper bound range of the exposure settings. So as you change these upper bound and lower bound settings, you'll also see that the curve will sort of stretch in real time. I've also clamped to on the y-axis to be from -3 EV to +3 EV. So basically that means that you can, within a given compensation curve, have dynamic adjustments between 1/8 of the brightness and 8 times the brightness. So I'll just show an example of using this in real time. As we drag that bottom one down, it darkens the scene. And as we bring this one up, it'll brighten that scene as well. You can also add in a new key. This is kind of fun to play around with. Set both tangents to constant, and then drag this around to find exactly where your compensation curve is at right now. So you can see this one right here is being triggered as soon as we pass this 3.37-ish mark, just right there. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. Really appreciate it. Definitely check out auto exposure for URP. I'll include a link in the description below. And I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe, like this video, and comment what you think. Thanks for watching.